That's yeah. It's done. Who got hit? Who got hit? Who did the Matrix?
I saw Jeff doing like the fucking Russian march over there. Sounds like it hit somebody behind you.
Don't worry. Man, why y'all running?
Stand behind Chris.
Yeah, stand behind me. I'll just draw them off. And this Fuego sucks.
Yeah, no, it needs to stay long.
We need to actually burn the grass. Oh yeah.
In the inside, staying right in the middle.
Woo.
Oh my god!
No, keep burning it. Whoa! Burn! Fuego! They hit my Coke bottle! Woo! Coke has saved me yet again.